the God hypothesis is necessary for us to have an ultimate reference point for truth. Truths, that is, if we discover a truth and another truth, then we're talking about truths, plural. Truths, to speak of truths at all, implies some kind of system of truths, some kind of relationship of truths. Truths presupposes truth. The specific demands the universal. What is it about something that puts it in the category of the true, except that it corresponds to trueness or to truth? If you take away the concept of truth, then you can't really meaningfully speak about truths. And I hope I don't need to point out the application of that to contemporary culture, because that's where we are. We see, we're right into this bag of relativism, right into the bag of truths without any truth, which really makes the concept of a truth meaningless. And so from the philosophical consideration of the possibility of knowledge, if there are to be truths, there must be truth. There has to be some ultimate standard of truth, some unchanging truth by which everything else is judged. And this, of course, is God.
Thank you for listening. Ultimately with R.C. Sproul is just one of many podcasts produced by Ligonier Ministries. Check the show notes to find others you might enjoy, or search for Ligonier Ministries in your favorite podcast app.